really, my whole goal in having this conversation is really just to suggest that even if we are disagreeing with individuals, or if we perceive things as like fascism, our own policies and stuff like that can be perceived that way. And
Sure, but
although you
you've
seem well informed,
acknowledged with me here, right, that the people, at least I hope you will acknowledge this here, the people that are seeing the policies that you're saying they view as fascist are just wrong. They've made up things that are factually untrue, and because of this, they believe a fascism happened to them. They weren't forced to get vaccinated. Almost every job, right? I would have to be given direct examples, and I worked in healthcare at the time of COVID, and even my healthcare patient-facing job had exceptions where if you couldn't take the vaccine, you could get daily and then weekly COVID tests. So I've not seen a job that said either take the vaccine. I think like a military job possibly, but that's because that's the government. Schools, because that's schools. They already have those fucking most places that are sane already have that anyway, where you have to be vaccinated. So they weren't being forced to take the vaccine. They were being asked in public spaces to act in accordance of a way that would minimize the spread because there was extenuating circumstances like a massive run on hospitals. And we wanted to get that, and it wasn't just for COVID, we wanted to get hospitalizations down because we also couldn't treat people who were sick or dying from other things because there were too many people in the hospital. So we acknowledged that they weren't being forced. They had misinformation about the vaccine to begin with, and they were being asked to do things in accordance with public health. This compared, in my opinion, to Donald Trump militarizing ICE, to Donald Trump consorting to put power further into the executive branch and depower the legislative and the judicial branches. With Donald Trump using his Department of Justice to specifically target his political enemies with bogus indictments and bogus investigations. I mean, this seems a bit more fascist than the other one. This seems a bit more authoritarian than stopping a public health crisis.